Hello again. Let's go over today's work for the 5th of November. Okay, so on this one, you need to be working on bell work, getting that finished up. Make sure you get it turned in today or tomorrow because it is a Thursday, so it's due tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's agenda. So besides from bell work that I need you guys to get done for me, if you look down here, we have Egyptian notes and then a video for YouTube. Now, in this video, all you gotta do is click on it. It should play within it. Now, if you do that, that means you're unable to view it because you're probably not signed into your eSnowball account through your YouTube channel or Google. Okay, so refresh. All right, click on the link here, click to it, and you see okay, now be careful. Up here is where you're going to be talking about your eSnowball stuff. So if you have a Gmail account or you have another account, okay, that's probably where you're getting it. Okay, as you see, it's a John Green crash course. Now, one thing about his crash courses is he talks kind of fast for middle school kids, so I want you to be aware of that. So don't focus on every single bit of detail in his videos. Just find one or two interesting facts about Egypt because we're going to talk about it through notes and through activities and all that kind of stuff. So just focus on one or two interesting facts about it. Okay, 10 minutes, you should be able to find one or two interesting facts about Egypt as you go through. Okay, so as you see here, we'll play. Okay, so you kind of see him talking about all this stuff. It's a very good YouTube channel, Crash Course. Great thing about education. I highly recommend with all the rest of them. So watch that video. Then when you get to the Egyptian notes, you're going to download it. All right, wait for it to download. Here it is. Boom. Okay. I have a special set of notes for you guys. All right. So what I did is I recorded myself kind of teaching each slide by slide. So I will be posting that up here. Actually, I'll just do it while you guys are on here right now so you guys know where it's at. So instead of just looking at the notes itself, I'm going to put it down probably under here. Notes for online. Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to put that there for you guys. In the notes itself, what you're going to see is that each slide has me talking, okay, kind of going over the slide, what you need to get done and all that. So there it is for you. So on this one, all you need to do is download it right here. All right, and you see it is a PowerPoint. Once it loads here, we'll open it up and kind of show you how this works. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this from last year and stuff like that, but let me just go over it just so you guys are aware of it. So on this, down here at the bottom, okay, that shows you each slide has me writing on stuff and stuff like that. So if you hit play, okay, so it means explaining it. So you can do it that way, or if you just hit slideshow and hit from the beginning, it automatically plays for you. So if you can do it either way, whatever. Now I only go through a handful of slides because we only made it so far. So if you scroll down to about here, okay, in slide 26, that's the last slide. So as you see, there's no me talking here. So I will do that on Tuesday of next week when we finish it because we only got so far today. So this is part one of the notes. So do part one. I will be posting the rest of this part two on either Monday or Tuesday of next week. For you guys to finish up the rest of them because this is kind of a lengthy slides here. As you see here, if we go all the way down, we're looking at 44 slides. So we did about 26 today, so almost half, and then we'll do the rest of them later. All right, so that's that. All right, so do part of the notes, keep them, save them. There's no way to turn them in yet because I'm waiting until next week to do that. So watch this crash course, do the parts of the notes, turn in the bell work. Tomorrow we're going to be watching a video, and I'm trying to find ways to get you guys to do something online since you won't be here in class to watch the video. All right. As always, you can always Skype me or email if you have questions. I know I've been getting some stuff from you guys, which is great. Keep emailing me stuff, keep turning stuff in. If you have not done the pre-test from yesterday, make sure you do that. I need to unlock it. So if you are, email me letting me know that I can unlock it for you so you can get the pre-test done. All right. Other than that, you should be good to go for me. Okay. Once again, bell work, do notes, watch this video. Okay. And then you are good to go for my class. All right. See you guys.